Today, I am reviewing Lenovo Yoga 7i 16-inch 2K touchscreen laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lenovo Yoga 7i is a striking blend of power, elegance, and versatility, designed to meet the needs of both creative professionals and everyday users who demand performance without compromise. From the moment you power it on, this laptop makes a bold impression with its expansive 16-inch 2K touchscreen display. The clarity is exceptional, and thanks to the responsive touch capabilities, navigating through tasks feels both intuitive and satisfying. Whether you are sketching, editing documents, or simply browsing, the display delivers sharp details and vibrant colors that make a tangible difference in everyday use. Under the hood, the Yoga 7i is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 5 226V processor, supported by 16 GB of blazing-fast LPDDR5X RAM. This combination makes multitasking smooth and effortless. Opening large software packages, switching between apps, or running productivity tools happens without lag. It also handles light to moderate gaming and demanding creative applications gracefully, offering reliable performance without draining battery life unnecessarily. The large 2.5 terabyte storage, a combination of a 2 terabytes SSD and a 512 gigabytes docking station, means you can store vast libraries of files, videos, and projects without worrying about space, and access them at lightning speed. One of the standout features of a Yoga 7i is its true two-in-one design. With a full 360-degree hinge, it transforms seamlessly from a laptop to a tablet, offering flexibility that adapts to your workflow. Whether you're taking notes during a meeting, sketching ideas with a stylus, or watching a movie in tablet mode, the experience feels fluid and natural. This flexibility is further enhanced by a backlit keyboard that offers comfortable typing even in low light, and a fingerprint reader for fast, secure access, a feature that combines convenience with security. The Lenovo Yoga 7i also brings impressive graphics performance thanks to Intel Arc graphics, which ensures that visuals are crisp, vibrant, and smooth. Whether you're streaming high-resolution videos, editing photographs, or enjoying creative work, the display and graphics together deliver a premium experience. Another forward-thinking feature is the inclusion of Wi-Fi 7, ensuring incredibly fast internet speeds, ultra-low latency, and robust connectivity. This is especially valuable for those who rely on cloud services, video conferencing, or online collaboration tools. Battery life is another strong point. Lenovo claims long-lasting battery performance, and in practice, this laptop can comfortably handle a full workday without needing a recharge. This, combined with its lightweight design of just over 4 pounds and a slim profile under 0.7 inches thick, makes the Yoga 7i a portable powerhouse. It is easy to carry between meetings, to a cafe, or on business trips, without feeling weighed down. For professionals, students, or creators, the Yoga 7i offers more than just a laptop. It's a productivity hub. The docking station set included in the package adds extra storage and versatility, while features like multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, HDMI output, and a microSD card reader provide all the connectivity options you might need. Windows 11 Pro adds to the appeal with its enhanced multitasking capabilities, security features, and seamless integration of productivity tools. Ultimately, the Lenovo Yoga 7i delivers a perfect balance of performance, design, and flexibility. It's not just a device, it's a tool that adapts to the way you work and play. Whether you are a business professional looking for a dependable work machine, a student seeking portability without sacrificing power, or a creative professional needing a versatile touchscreen device, the Yoga 7i stands out as one of the best in its class. It blends premium build quality, cutting-edge hardware, and a thoughtful design into a device that feels ahead of its time. For anyone in the market for a high-performing two-in-one laptop that doesn't compromise on style or functionality, the Lenovo Yoga 7i is a worthy investment that delivers on its promises and then some.